Welcome, I'm David.
I'm Lindsay.
And this is Desmonds Donders.
There, I think I've got you working now. So, it's Sunday the 25th of September and we're in Abirlaur. David's been here since Thursday. I turned up last night. Right. We had a Chinese, and to be honest, I think we ate far too much. We've still got a bit left, which no doubt we'll have for lunch, or David might. I don't really feel like eating. I had breakfast, but I think I overdid it. So we're off to find another geocache. Only because I think I know where it is. I'm not sure. So if I'm wrong, I'm going to look awfully silly. Again. It's a bit blustery. It's a bit overcast. And Abirlaur's very busy. That's normal. I'm going to have to switch you off, there's kids coming. So, this is Abirlaur. This is the other side of the river. And that's the park. And in the distance there is the car park, which is always full. Dog walkers, people going kayaking, canoeing, those blow up board things, and campers and motorhomes. We realised, or I realised last night, or this morning, I can't remember when, we haven't been here for 2 years, and it was at Abirlaur that we spent the weekend, and then we got back on the Sunday because I didn't feel right on the Friday and I felt worse on the Sunday, and at that time you were still testing yourself, and I tested, and I was tested positive for COVID. So can't believe that was 2 years ago, but that was the last time we were in Abirlaur. We go around the surrounding area like Fiddick Park and Arndilly and the rest, but we tend to stay away from Abirlaur in the summer for the simple reason it's hoaching, seriously hoaching, so it does make a difference. So, but as I said, we're here now, and autumn is definitely coming. The trees are definitely turning, but they're not quite there yet because of the blustery wind. David can't fly his drone, too windy, and I really don't fancy jumping in the Spey chasing after it, because that is one seriously fast river. Right, I'm going to switch you off a minute and I will be back with you soon. Okay, sorry about that, had to go through the gate. ponds are all clogged up. It's a shame. Oh no, I think I've got it wrong again. Lots of crows. I'm certainly not going up there. Oh dear. Gifted. Okay, I'm going to switch off a minute, guys, because I've just found a bench and I'm going to go have a sit. I'll be back in a sec. And there's the suspension bridge, if you can see it. It's so lovely here. So well kept. But there's a lot of income brought in by fishing and obviously the whisky. And a small part to the shortbread. A very small part. There you go. Like I said, it's pretty windy. Sorry, I'll zoom you out again. This is the other side of the Spey that we don't normally come to. Well, we do. Oh, ducks, lots of. I'm going to head back and go up the hill and see the view from there. I've got a friend coming later for a walk, so you won't be on for that because I probably won't get a word in edgewise. Lots of ducks. Oh, mallards. So, I'll catch you in a bit, folks. So, that's geocache number 75 and the first one of the day found. Yay! I know, simple things, but hey, gets me out walking. Nice little spot. I went completely the wrong way because I thought I knew where it was and I got the two estates mixed up. Oops. So this is us on our way back down from geocache number 75. I know it's not a high number for some folk, but we are of the mindset that if we're somewhere where we could possibly find them, we'll go look for them, and if we can't find them, then they'll still be there the next time, hopefully. But there are quite a few around Abirlaur, 11 that we can get, and goodness knows how many premium ones. We don't pay the premium ones, we're not that fanatical about it. And there's a few round here that David had before, but when COVID struck, the geocacher took the instructions from the geocache people the wrong way and wiped everybody's records out of having the actual cache. Rather than just closing them down, she just wiped them all out. So I'm not quite sure how many more we would have had if we'd still had them, but hey, we've got 75. So it's nice and quiet on this path because not many people come this way. It's all downhill from where I was at, and then you start going up the hill the other side. I'm going to try and go up the other side just to see if I can get some pictures of the Spey. I heard in the Chinese last night there was a local inn, obviously quite a regular in the Chinese, and also a regular fisherman who was asked when the season shuts, and apparently it's next weekend. So that'll be it until February, March next year. But like I said before, it does bring an awful lot of income into the local area. Either the regulars who pay their fishing season tickets, and the people on holiday who want to say they caught a Scottish salmon in a Scottish river. But then you have to put it back, as you're not allowed to keep them anymore. Conservation reasons. But how much longer that will be going for, goodness knows. With all the plans that the new old Westminster have in mind, are we going to have anywhere where we can actually go walk? Where there's still actually trees, wildlife, bird life? I don't know. If they're not fracking the hell out the bloody planet, they'll be chopping the stuff down to make room for new industrial estates that'll be empty, new houses that no one can afford to buy. This world has gone to shit. And I honestly don't know what they can do. I know what we'd like to see happen, but hopefully in my lifetime, I don't know. Everything's changing. We have a king who no idea what he's going to do yet. He's officially still in mourning till Monday. We have a new Prime Minister, not one I would have voted for. We have a new government, well, new cabinet, who for all intents and purposes are out to line their own pockets and those of their very wealthy friends, as proved in Friday's budget. Lower the rate of income tax, take away the high rank rate, take away the extra percentage that was put on the national insurance to cover the cost of the NHS. The NHS is on its knees already, guys, and you're giving it less money. Take the cap off the bankers' bonuses. Is that not part of the reason why this country's in the state it's in? All you have to do is go back and think about Fred the Shred and the Royal Bank of Scotland. But what do I know? I'm just a pleb. But very angry one. They're not doing anything to help the poor, they're just helping the rich. And then turn round and when somebody asks a question say, we're not worried about people that are wealth greedy or wealth, or whatever it was. Basically, unless you earn a lot of money and you can help them out, they ain't interested. But people, you reap what you sow. I will never, ever vote Tory. Saying that, I don't think any of the rest of them are much better. I think they're just a bunch of bloody crooks. But I'm going to shut up because David won't be allowed to put this out because it's political. So enjoy the green countryside all you can while we've still got it. Until somebody obviously points out to these idiots, we need trees. Apparently not for the hungry lot. It's ridiculous. But what do I know? It's all gone crazy. So, excuse the huffing and puffing, but it's gone up a hill. But at least it's a nice day. It's not raining yet, but who knows? Oh, I believe this is part of the Speyside walk from Abirlaur to Karen, which is part I haven't done. There's lots of parts I haven't done. But when a friend and I decided to start doing it, Lindsay thought it was a Speyside way and you stayed on the Spey. More for me. I'm wrong. Which way do we go now? Up or down? Let's see. Apparently we go up. So, up we go. Oh wow.
Thank you for watching Desmonds Donders. And remember, please take nothing but memories and leave nothing but tracks. Please subscribe and ring the bell for notifications, and hopefully we'll see you next time.